Yes, I know I look like an egg, but you know what? I'm a cute ass egg. Anyways, yeah. Today, I got a synthetic... Ah! I just dropped her out the packet since the bag's out. I'ma just show... This is what it came in, yeah. It's Missyvan. Right, so yeah, this is the hair. They gave me this wig cap. It says 2 pieces. 2. Anyways, yeah, I ordered it off of Amazon and it was like $45, and it's like, it's only available in like in the US unless you want to pay for shipping, which I doubt anyone would. It's like a light brown, blondish type of color. I don't know how to describe it, but this is it, and I'm putting it on my head. This is like the inside. It's got the clips, it's got the band. To be honest, it looks alright, but like, I still want to pluck it, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like you can't go wrong with plucking. You can't go wrong with plucking it. Should I cut this back? Let's not worry about that right now. It's got like a back piece, but they must think I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. I ain't doing that. I really want to cut this. It's very long. Oh my god. Inches, sis. Oh my god. So let me just fix this a little bit. These like flyaways just need to... This is the baby hairs. That is crazy. Like, why is it all fluffy like that? Okay. I'm gonna like tie it like this. First thing we're gonna do is pluck. We're gonna pluck the hell out of this wig. Also, yeah, be careful apparently, because you can rip the lace. Guys, oh my god, I actually don't want to do this. I actually don't want to. I feel like I just want someone to do this for me. This needs plucking. That is a straight line. Like, oh my god. So we gotta deal with this, sis.
2 hours later.
Yeah, basically, I've been naughty. I've been very naughty, and I have not plucked the front of the hair because I can't be bothered. Like, the lace is too tough. Like, I can't. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the lace and then see how it goes, because it doesn't look too bad. I can't lie. It's not like, oh my god, that's fake hair. Like, when it's all styled out, when it's like little baby hairs, not too much, you know, something slight. When that's all done, it should look alright, you know what I mean? Like, a little decent, you know what I'm saying? When I have it on, I want to like put it behind my ear, if I can, if it looks alright. I'm gonna cut this part off. I'm scared. Oh my god, what if I mess this up? I'm just gonna keep cutting. Just keep cutting. Just keep cutting. Go away. And you want to cut it in like a jagged line. So I think sometimes people, yeah, they glue it down first and then they cut it off, but I didn't do that. Why didn't I do that? Why didn't I do that? Right, so I'm gonna use the got to be spray and the styling glue, but I'm not gonna use, I am gonna use this, yeah. I'm gonna use both of these. So I'm gonna use like these things that I made, the little sideburns, whatever, as my guidance. So I'm gonna like stick it there, and then, yeah, that's pretty much it this far. Then I'm just gonna use like a stick. You can use a stick or like a lollipop stick or something, or not a lollipop stick, ice lolly stick or something, and then kind of like, you know, because I don't like to use my fingers. Okay, I'm gonna glue this side first and see how it's gonna turn out. It's glued. Now we're gonna do baby hairs, and for baby hairs you're gonna need the comb, a toothbrush, and some mousse. Right, so I'm gonna like bring forward what I kind of want to be as baby hair. Right guys, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, I could have plucked it and it would have looked a bit better. Ow! Oh my god, I forgot all the yikes. That is embarrassing. The length, I have to say, the length is very it's very long for my liking. I feel like I should cut it, but let me stand up. You guys can't really, okay, let me just y'all can see that. But yeah, probably won't be ordering another wig until I don't know when, but you know, save your coins. If you're on a budget, then this wig is for you. If not, then you rich, you good. Save your coins, sis. So yeah, I saved my coin and I got me a Beyonce wig. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and comment down below if you like what you see, and let me know if you have any questions. And